Specialty Mustang at Unique Specialty and Classics. One of our better selling models here, 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 25,000 on this one. As you can see, tungsten gray metallic, T8 would be the paint code. Dark charcoal interior. Underneath the hood, that 5.4 liter dual overhead cam, supercharged V8, 500 horsepower. Let's take a look at this front fascia. There's a couple spots we do have a little touch up. Selling right there. Come down the center of the bumper, and those are right there. See that? One right over here, down there. If you want to check out the still pictures, take your time looking through the still pictures. There's over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. See, the paint has a nice shine to it. Another thing I want to point out, this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. And that may be extendable up to 10 years of the same coverage. So check with your sales consultant when you call in or email. Riding on the correct SVT GT500 wheels. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see it's pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find an imperfection here or there, but it has been driven a little. Of course, the dark charcoal interior. This would have a power top. It's black cloth. We're going to run it up at the end of this video. Let you check it out. You'll also be able to look at it in the still pictures with the top up and the top down. It does have the parade boot or the convertible top cover. It does fold up and fit in the trunk. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Coming around to the rear, dual exhaust. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. Take a look at the underside. You'll be able to see the underside pics of this car. Nice and clean. And remember, just a little over 25,000 miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. So take a look at the driver's side, also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, your power windows, power locks, tilt and cruise, power mirrors, power seat on the driver's side. I'm going to slide that back. As you got a good shot of that door panel. You know, sometimes those are coming down or need repair. These look like they've held up well or been repaired nicely, so they're in good shape. Take a look at the seat. No major wear, rips, tears, anything there as far as the bolster, the seating surface. Rear seat's about like new. And there'll be interior pics, plenty of pics of the interior of this car online. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let you listen to it. Check out the exact miles. Here's a click with the CD changer. This would have the Shaker 500. It'd have a CD here that clicked up. But as far as AM and FM radio, working.
They drink more Guinness in Nigeria than iron.
There's the exact miles. 25,027. No check engine lights, service engine lights, anything like that on. A little bark out of that exhaust. Take a look at the dash, good shape. Wipers do work. Slip around to the back. Looks like Flowmaster tips on there. Take a look at the underside pics. Sounds like it could have Flowmasters on it. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. Let's check out that engine bay. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me pop the hood. Take a peek underneath there. Take a look at the underside of the heat extractor hood, which is actual functioning, as you can see from the vents there. But that hood liner, nice and clean. Doesn't look like this has been driven in any sort of inclement weather. There it is. Hand built. Want to know who built it? The name will be right there. 5.4 liter dual overhead cam, supercharged V8. Looks good. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Or strut tower brace, and then you notice it also has the hood struts here, so you don't have the prop rod. There's the engine bay. Let's pause this one last time. Get that convertible top up. Check that out and wrap this video up. And the top up. Rolled up the windows too so we can see how those fit. Nice tight fit above the front windshield. Like I said, black cloth. It's free of rips, tears, holes. You can see windshield or side windows, both front and rear, fit nicely in there. Rear glass window, rear defrost. What you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. Side glass on the passenger side fits nicely also. There you go. And again, check out all the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Call us, 507-386-1726. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2007 Ford Mustang. This is a convertible. It's in a really nice dark gray. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. If there's any flickering lights on the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate. It's not any problem with the dash. This is a 6-speed manual. Let's wait for a little traffic here and then get her on the road. Up to speed quickly. Very fun to drive car. Perfectly straight down the road. We got a smooth ride. I don't feel anything strange, any kind of issues. We got a radio that works. Gauges up here to all work. Oil pressure is over half and temperature is about half on the gauge. Very comfortable Mustang. Not getting any wind noise of any kind, which is great for a convertible. Let's go around the circle here and get up to speed one more time, because that's the fun part. Doesn't take much to get up to speed. Very fun Mustang. Check this out at uniqueclassiccars.com.